What are we doing? 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 What are we doing?
Wow!
What are we doing?
Today we're conducting a really fun science experiment. We're exploding space rocks. This experiment involves mixing some ingredients together to create a chemical reaction. To do the experiment, we need some ingredients: baking soda, water, food colouring, glitter, a few little toys that we can hide in the space rocks, vinegar, dishwashing liquid. We were able to find all these things at home. We need the following tools: a bowl, some measuring cups, a dropper, a spatula, and a tray. Now that we have everything, we can begin the experiment. To start off, we need to scoop 2 cups of baking soda into our bowl. Next, we need to add some water to the bowl, about 1/4 cup. Next, we need to add a few drops of food colouring and glitter.
Can I do my food colouring?
So it's just a few drops each. Yeah. Good job. Okay, now AIS 10. After this, we need to mix everything together.
I think we need a little bit more jelly.
I think this is actually a good ratio. Look. Not too wet, not too dry, so we should be able to make the rocks now. Now the fun part. We need to mould the baking soda into space rocks. As we mould the rocks, we're hiding little toys inside them. It's getting a bit messy and our hands are now blue. After a short hand washing break, we're ready to continue. We need to pour some vinegar into a cup. We've also added a squirt of dishwashing liquid to make the reaction foam. Now is the exciting part. Using a cup, we need to pour the vinegar onto the baking soda space rocks. Wow!
Oh, Ellie, just going on.
They're all exploding at once. How cool is that? The vinegar is causing the space rocks to explode. Baking soda is a base, while vinegar is an acid. When combined, they react to form water and a gas called carbon dioxide. The bubbles produced by the reaction are the carbon dioxide gas escaping the water. The girls had a lot of fun exploding the space rocks and uncovering the hidden treasures. It was a great way to learn about acid-base chemical reactions. We can't wait to try this experiment again.